In this video, I'm going to explain you the difference between left outer join and right outer join. We will start from the left outer join. Probably you know what is inner join. And in inner join, we basically return the records that are matching in both tables. So for example, if we would use inner join, we would return only I'll show you with the pencil. So we would return only this one, and this one. Okay, but since we are using the left outer join, we are going to return entire table from the left, which is the customers table here, and only the matching values from this next table, which is the address. So it's going to give us entire table of customers and only the matched records from the right table, which is the address table. Okay, now in this slide we can see that it's going to return only the 3 rows from the table number 2 and entire table from the customers table. Okay, and this is how it's going to look if we write this select statement and left outer join. So we selected all the, so we used star, which means that we are selecting all the columns, and we are joining using the left outer join, and we are using these address ID columns in order to join. So as a result, we are getting only 3 rows from the address table and all the rows from the customers table. And you see that we don't have the address for the customer whose name is Mary, and if such a case, the SQL automatically puts null values like here and here. So that's basically it about the left outer join. And of course we can query it using the where clause or any other statements in SQL if you want to put some conditions, sort it or filter it. And in this case, instead of star, here we ask to display only the customer ID, first name, last name, and the phone. So you see that the phone comes from the address table and the other columns are coming from the customers table. Because we used the left outer join, we don't have a phone number for Mary and for Anne. And now let's move to the right outer join. Right outer join is similar to the left outer join. The only difference is that it returns all the rows from the right table and the matching records from the left table. So in this case, we will receive these 3 matching rows from the left table and all the records from the address table. So that's basically the difference. Now here you see the result when we join them, and similarly to the left join, we can see that there are null values right here. Okay, because we don't have any customers information for these 2 addresses, and since it's empty, we are receiving null values. Okay, and here we wrote a query and we asked to give only certain fields such as customer ID, first name, last name, address, and phone. So these 2 rows are coming from the orders table and these 3 are from the customers table. And we see the null values everywhere where we don't have the customers information per the address table. Okay, now let's go to the live SQL and see the queries in the real database. Okay, I have these two queries written down, and I just want to show you two tables that I'm going to join, which are employees and departments. I'll just run it and show you what I have inside. Okay, as you see, this is my employees table with all this information, and I'll go down and show you the next table, which is departments, and I'm going to join these two tables and retrieve certain columns. Okay, in my example, I'm going to select only certain columns, which are the first name here and last name, and I'm going to receive the department ID and department name from my second table. Okay, and I'm going to use left outer join here, and I'm joining on the department ID, which is right here. So both of my tables have department ID columns, and I'm going to join on them. If I run this, I'm gonna comment this out, and if I run this query, it should give everything from the left table, which is employees table, and only matching values from the departments table. Okay, here we go. This is our query result set. And similarly, there is an opportunity to do the same with the right join. Okay, it's going to give us the matching values from the left side and all the records from the right side. Okay, this is our result, and then the result is similar to in this case it's similar with the left join, because I don't have any null values or some empty cells, so that's why everything is filled out evenly. So that's basically it about the left outer join and right outer join. I hope you understood the difference between two of them, and I'm going to leave these queries below in the description section. If you need it, please use, and thank you for watching this video.